When it comes to BBQ sauce, I think we can all agree that store-bought options just don't cut it. They're often loaded with preservatives, high fructose corn syrup, and who knows what else that you can't even pronounce. But homemade BBQ sauce, on the other hand, is a game changer. It's like a symphony of flavors, a perfect balance of sweet, tangy, and spicy that elevates your grilled meats from meh to wow. So why don't more people make their own BBQ sauce? One of the biggest challenges people face when making BBQ sauce from scratch is getting the flavors just right. It's easy to end up with a sauce that's too sweet or too tangy, or that's missing that certain genie says koi that makes it truly special. And then there's the issue of finding the right ingredients. Do you use ketchup or tomato paste, brown sugar or honey, and what's the deal with all those spices? It can be overwhelming, especially if you're new to making your own BBQ sauce. Another common issue is achieving the right consistency. You don't want a sauce that's too thin and watery, but you also don't want one that's so thick it's like syrup. And have you ever tried to make BBQ sauce only to have it turn out too spicy or not spicy enough? It's frustrating, to say the least. But the biggest challenge of all might be finding the time to make it. Let's face it, we're all busy, and making BBQ sauce from scratch can seem like a hassle, but trust me, it's worth it. With the right ingredients and a simple recipe, you can create a BBQ sauce that's truly exceptional, and it's easier than you think. Okay, let's get started. To make the best BBQ sauce ever, you'll need a few simple ingredients, including ketchup, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper. You'll also need a medium saucepan and a whisk or spoon for mixing. First, combine the ketchup, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and black pepper in the saucepan. Whisk everything together until it's smooth and there are no lumps. Next, place the saucepan over medium-low heat and bring the mixture to a simmer. Let it cook for about 10 minutes, whisking occasionally, until the sauce has thickened slightly. Now that our BBQ sauce is starting to take shape, let's talk about the importance of simmering it. This is where the magic happens, folks. As the sauce simmers, the flavors will melt together beautifully, creating a rich, deep flavor that's simply irresistible. After 10 minutes, remove the saucepan from the heat and let the BBQ sauce cool to room temperature. This is important, because you want the flavors to settle and the sauce to thicken up a bit more. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's take a look at our finished BBQ sauce. As you can see, it's got a beautiful, thick consistency and a rich, dark color, and the flavor. It's absolutely amazing, sweet, tangy, spicy, and smoky all at once. This is the perfect BBQ sauce, folks. So there you have it, the best BBQ sauce ever, and it's incredibly easy to make. I hope you'll give this recipe a try and experience the difference that homemade BBQ sauce can make. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you give this recipe a try, be sure to let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more delicious recipes and cooking tips.